Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and we are back today for another in our exercise technical series. We are in Book 1, Group 2, Exercise 4. And before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And you are always welcome to share my videos with your friends and family. All right, this exercise number 4, again, remember we should be practicing exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and now we're adding exercise 4. These exercises are progressive, and as you go through each group, you want to try to master all 12 together and play them every day. Okay. So this exercise is going to be in the same position as the last exercise, 2 and 3. We're both in C position. Hands are still playing unison, but instead of doing lots of steps, we're going to be doing some fancy skipping around. So it's a little more of a complicated pattern, but we can do it, right? Okay, so I'm going to take us through the right hand first, saying the letter names, and then we'll put hands together. So this is what it looks like. We're going to be starting off with eighth notes, and we will have 1/4 note and a half note, which I will indicate when we get to those. Here's what it looks like with the right hand. Letter names: C, skip up to E, D, skip to F, E, skip to G. Now we're going to jump back down to D, skip to F, then C, E, D, F. See those skips? E, G. We're going to end on D for a 1/4 note. Then we're going to start the pattern again. C, skip to E, D, F, E, skip to G. Now we're going to break the pattern. We're going to go back to E, and then instead of skipping, we're going to step up to F, step up to G. Now we're going to skip down E, F, D, end on C as a half note. Okay, I'm going to go through that one more time with the right hand. Why not? C, E, D, F, E, G, D, F, C, E, D, F, E, G. D is a 1/4 note. Here we go. C, E, D, F, E, G. Here's the steps. E, F, reverse G, E, F, D, half note C. 1. All right, there we go. Okay, now we're going to put hands together. And I'm going to count it this time. Here we go. Kind of slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Now I'm going to play it through as the exercise is supposed to be played once you've mastered it. We're going to play the first time through legato, repeat staccato. Looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Have fun learning that one. That is a fun exercise to play. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember, if you found it at all helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I will be back for you next week. We were going to be learning exercise number 5. I know you're getting excited for that. Have fun practicing exercise 1 through 4, and I will look forward to seeing you next week with the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.